Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we're diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of June, 2025, our system has classified SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.8. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 13.37% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from -3.20% to 44.85%. In terms of a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of about 43.52%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could vary between 29.44% and 323.42% over the upcoming year. This translates to a future price range of approximately $12.26 to $40.10. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, "Is SoundHound AI Incorporated? Stock still a buy?" after falling 6.79% on Thursday. The SoundHound AI stock price fell by 6.79% on the last day, Thursday, the 5th of June 2025. Dropping from $10.16 to $9.47. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 9.60%, with a day low at $9.27 and a day high of $10.16. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days. Volume increased on the last day by 4 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 35 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $327,140,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $24.98, while the lowest fell to $3.82. Currently, the price sits 62.09% or $15.51 below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, symbol SOUN, continues to capture the attention of investors amid significant fluctuations in its stock price. Recently, SOUN's stock surged by over 2% as interest in AI technology persists, following a notable rise of 365% since the beginning of 2024. Despite this impressive growth, the stock has seen a decline of nearly 60% from its peak of $24.23 in December 2024. The company has been featured among lesser-known AI stocks that demonstrate substantial potential, as outlined in discussions comparing it with popular competitors like Palantir Technologies. SoundHound's technology, particularly in voice recognition, is gaining traction, making it attractive to businesses seeking innovative solutions. A recent study highlights that in-car voice commerce could be a significant revenue opportunity, potentially unlocking $35 billion annually for automakers, which positions SoundHound well in this evolving market. Long-term, the potential for growth remains strong, especially as AI technology becomes integral in various sectors. Analysts have noted that as consumer demand grows, particularly for voice-assistive solutions, SoundHound could see an increase in adoption across different platforms. However, the recent price dip raises questions about its short-term resilience. Investors should weigh the potential for a rebound against market volatility as the company navigates its recovery phase. Such dynamics could influence stock valuation in both the short and long term, inviting cautious optimism among investors. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a rating of underperform along with a hold action On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a rating of buy, accompanied by a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was indicated that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a rating of buy with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a rating of outperform alongside a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN a rating of overweight with an upgrade action. Analysts have given SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. is exhibiting sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. During potential upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $10.16 and $9.70. A breakout above either of these thresholds would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 14.84%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 28 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 78 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 64 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $9.38. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock experiences significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 89 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 9.60%. In the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 6.39%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through tough periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and pose risks of potential bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on August 14, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected at -6 cents. It is important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $9.74. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $9.38. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 23rd of May, 2025, Diana Sroka conducted an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Lawrence Marcus also conducted an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 23rd of May, 2025, Eric R. Ball made an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Timothy Stonehopper conducted an insider sale of 44,157 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of May, 2025, James Ming Holmes sold 3,815 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 10.151. In total, insiders purchased 6,364,888 shares and sold 6,685,217 shares in these last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there has been no stop loss set. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? The stock of SoundHound AI Incorporated shows several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that SoundHound AI Inc. will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation of this stock from a buy recommendation to a sell candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 6th of June, we predict that SoundHound AI will open higher by approximately 16 cents, starting at a price of $9.63. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.